is up, trappers? We got the Trap Blazer back here, and as you can see, we're messing with the subs today. We got this opened up. Jonathan, he's getting ready to meet me here in a minute. We're gonna go out to an undisclosed location, and we're gonna go just have some fun. We're just gonna go turn it up and beat on it and get some videos and just have some fun. But we got the mini truck running. We got some air in it. Got to lift it up. It hasn't been driven in like 3-4 days. Snow, bad weather. I don't want to drive it and all that stuff, guys. But anyway, we're playing with this today, guys. That's what we're doing. Here in just a second, we'll get this camera flipped around, and we'll show you what we got going on back here, guys. This should be fun, so check it out. We'll see you here in just a minute. Man, it's bright. I gotta put these on. But anyway, guys, it's Jonathan in the Journey, representing Journey Gang. Say what's up, shout out. But anyway, that's what we're doing today, guys. We're just out here messing around. DTP, you know, disturbing the peace. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're out doing. I'm gonna mess with this some more. I think maybe I might go get a big amp. Big amp. Jonathan wants me to go get a big amp. Doesn't Jonathan? Yes, he does. Anyway, guys, that's what it is. We'll see you in the next clip. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.